Good morning, ladies and gents. How are we all doing? Thank you so much for joining us. Oh, do you know what I've not done? You want to go and shop now, don't you?
Yeah, but I did say it, but it might not have any. It's okay, I'll have a look.
I'm the Titsmacker. My name's Jndia, Undertaker Racing. We're supporting Steve Ashdown today. Steve Ashdown, the Undertaker Racing team. She's got... No?
No, there isn't any.
She wants some dry shampoo because she can't be bothered washing her hair. Oh, look, dog. Yeah. Yeah. Every dog. Yes, good morning from... it doesn't look that bad. Well, it's a bit black up there. So, headlock. Looks a bit grey up there. There is going to be rain at some point today. There has to be. We can't get it good 2 days on bounce. Not a chance. But we have agreed that we're going to go back to Pod today because I need to do some shopping. And I didn't show you the stalls yesterday. So I'm going to get myself a Euro Finals t-shirt. And I've seen a couple of jumpers, hoodies, t-shirts, whatever from Barn Fine Customs. That's what it's called now. I'm going to get a couple of them. So we're going to do a little bit of shopping. And hopefully catch some racing. Again, fingers crossed. If not, then we're going to, if it starts bombing it down, we're going to leave and go somewhere else. But yeah. How did you sleep last night, love?
Very well.
In that ridiculously comfy bed?
Very well.
It's not a king size like ours, but it's a bloody damn good comfy double, innit?
Well, I didn't touch you all night, so...
I know. And I woke up and my arm was out of bed like that.
Yeah, because you was like
My elbow was locked out of bed like that. When I woke up, I went, ah! But I only woke up once for a pee, which is very much not like me. I wake up, I'm a notorious sleeper, terrible, and it's getting worse as I'm getting older. I wake up 6, 7, 8 times a night. Shocking. We are walking clearly in the middle of the road, dear my love.
Oh.
But because the missus didn't add breakfast, we're going here, the Red Well, Weatherspoons, for breakfast. I will end up with a big greasy fry up, as always. Let's go inside, let's get some brekkie. Go on, Mr. D. Very nice. It's Weatherspoons. I'll say in a minute.
Why?
Fly. Go away, fly.
I don't think I've ever had maple cured bacon.
Oh, it's nice. What the fly's on me?
Is this what they do in America?
Yes. As you can see, Mrs. D is an Undertaker Racing fan as well. What are you getting on your fork, bro? Yes? My breakfast. Got to have tartar sauce on your breakfast, mate. Seriously. Seriously. Don't mock it until you've tried it. Tartar sauce on a full English has to be done. And see Mrs. D getting angry. We've decided to stop in the hotel for a quick game of pool. And she played really well at the first game. And 6 bowled me. And then I managed to come back, pull it back, and pot them all. But this game, I've already given her 4 shots.
The fork? That was right out of the pocket. I've not even 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I put 1 more.
Yes.
No.
Right, come on, show them you are good. In your own time, love. Yeah, that was lucky. I've been telling people that you're good, and you go and miss it. How'd you miss that? How'd you miss that?
Go on then, Mr. Billy Big Bollocks. Come on.
Stop I'm slurring. I can't pop that. So.
Whoopsies.
Loser. I got it, didn't I?
Just tap it in.
Right, I give up. I come everywhere I go, there's a wall. Look at him. Oh, Fred.
Loser.
Just tap it. Just tap it.
Tap it in.
This is a write-off. It's your worst game ever. Let's go.
Just what?
Tap it. Go on, I'll do well for you. Ready. Typical for our look. We've just turned up at, we're literally on the road coming into Santa Pod now, and it's just started raining. So there is going to be zero raining, zero racing for quite a while. Typical for us. I think this should be a sign. Everyone is leaving. We're going. We're coming, and everyone is
I
going.
knew I should have put my Converse on today.
I know. I've got me whatever these are. I've got them on. And it's gonna be boggy. I don't know why this guy's got a sat here. We usually park on there. So why he's got a sat? Alright. It must be a full house. Isn't it? Oh, we need to park somewhere like near the front so we're not walking over shit loads of grass. I've never seen there, so what do we? Well, I was sitting here and wait for it to stop raining while the sun is shining over there, and there's clear skies over there above us. It's still raining, so we're having a nap. That was an effort and a half. Credit given where credit is due. That was mega. If I get copyrighted for this music now, I'm going to go septic because that was mint. Right, now as you've wiped your chops, how was that?
Very good.
Is it worth a tenner? What was that? Was it worth 10 quid?
Yeah.
Yeah? I won't believe that, like, 20 minutes ago it was absolutely nailers, and now it's absolutely scorching. What is all that about? Yum, 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 yum. How are you doing, love?
Videoing you.
Are you?
Yeah?
Alright. Yeah, man.
How's the pizza?
Copyrighted. Oh, we're back. And we can safely say that pizzeria there is well worth the £10 for a pizza. That was banging, that was a mint pizza. And I think the track is ready. They're getting the Jndia dragsters around, which we won't be watching. I think we'll go and do some shopping because watching them is quite boring. What? You can pick the bag up for 2 minutes, love. Good grief, just because it's got some water in it. Good grief. Have we still got our cups in it? Right, we've got cups. Oh, there's a commentator.
Just while we've got a moment, I'm going to go back to that point about the...
So knowledgeable, that guy. I mean, you've got to be, ain't you? But still, he knows everything. He's mega. Anyway, we'll do some shopping and then we'll watch some wrestling. Yes. Right. Just do me a favour.
Okay.
Just tell the lovely people what you've just said about Yeri ranting Yemi.
Yemi Rantamina.
Yeri ranting Yemi. Just where's he from?
It's got Scotland flag.
With a name like Yeri ranting Yemi, you'd think you'd give it away, wouldn't you? But he's probably not Scottish. They're Scotland flags. With a name like Yeri ranting Yemi. It's from Finland, you donkey.
Sure, that's Scotland flag.
Scotland's the cross.
That is a cross.
An X.
Oh.
Not a plus sign. He's Scottish. God, babe, very tough. We're waiting for him to start up. I love that. I said yesterday, if you didn't watch yesterday's video, you should have done. Said that he's one of my favourite pro modders in the area.
It's got a Scottish flag.
So, that's...
No, that's Sweden.
Well done, babe. Right, you must have seen it somewhere that it said Sweden. Where did it say Sweden? Yeah, Fast Freddy, he's Swedish. I tell you. I think all pro modders are getting ready to go.
And that one is
Guatemala Express.
Cross Swatch. No.
Crosswatch. Swatch. That one's Swatch. Not Switzerland.
Oh. I was on that path.
Yeah, of course you are. A watch to a country.
Yeah, but they've got the same symbol for a watch that's called Swatch.
She's got a lover, haven't you? See, she's so adorable, isn't she? So adorable. Oh, God. Ladies. Look at that shake.
miles an hour.
To the final, 4:21, 2:57. That was not necessarily. Check that speed out, right? I'm not going to say Dave 20 times today. .48 miles an hour. Well, the 4:21 in the other. At 252 miles an hour. Well, my theory about taking it easy went out the racing each other. The twist.
Freddie is back. We're going to watch this man run again. Hopefully he runs this time.
Definitely a spectacle. Havoc doing.
We are Do You See Me? Whether it's a championship race or a speech by
Could you have timed that anywhere?
using professional equipment, Do You See Me?
Top Fuel Dragsters have just come out for one of the most important races of the year.
Do You See Me?
where if Jndia in the Monster Dragster wins, she goes into the final, which she needs to win the championship. If Suzanne in the Slick Tricks Racing, the yellow dragster, if she wins, then she wins the championship. Lynn, who blew up earlier on, just come round the corner at the very last second. They did the burnouts, and then it started bloody raining. And like I said earlier, or yesterday, or whenever, if there's a couple of drips and drops, they call it off straight away. So they'd just done the burnouts, they were ready to line up, just rolling into pre-stage, and then poof, off they go. But the amount of fuel that they use, these dragsters, is 4 gallons per second, I believe. 12 gallons per second. They burn as much fuel as a 747 jet on takeoff. A Boeing 747, they burn the same amount of fuel as them. That's how much they use. So they only have a specific amount, and that's enough for burnout, idle, race, switch off. So now they've got to go and refuel and everything. And now it's copyrighted music, so I'll get back to you when the rain pisses off, which there's not a lot, but yeah. Oh.
Suzanne shook the tyres like mad off the start line and got after it again. She looked at that speed as well. Suzanne was not giving up at 309 miles an hour. Congratulations to the whole Urbacher team. Was that worth waiting for, ladies and gentlemen? I think it certainly was, wasn't it? Jndia was a...
Happy with your this time?
Yeah.
Yes?
Yeah.
Good. So we're not sticking around for the final. If
Tomorrow isn't it anyway, because it runs Thursday to Monday.
Thursday to Sunday, bro. Today's the last day
Oh.
of the entire season, mate.
Oh.
The entire season ends today. That's what all this has been about, love. You don't listen. You are amazing. Tell you.
I know.
Well, yeah, we're not staying for the finals of the Pro Mods or any of that. We've been sat down way too long. And although being on the front row was mint, I'm not exactly the smallest geezer in the world, and sitting cramped in that grandstand all day without being able to move was difficult, but I'm not mourning, honest. We're having a weekend of no mourning, aren't we, love? Yeah. So I think we've cut it a bit short. It is still nearly 7 o'clock, 7:15. Gonna go back, get ready, and I think we're gonna go out. Gonna try a couple more pubs. Mrs. wants a strawberries and cream shot. I've not forgot.
We're getting one.
I've not forgot. Yeah.
Oh, you're a little love, aren't you?
Little? That's rich coming from someone that's had been nipple.
Alright, sorry, you big lump.
It's better. So, have you enjoyed it, love?
Yeah, of course I have.
How have you enjoyed it?
I enjoyed watching the dragsters. And you know my favourite cars anyway.
Funny cars.
Yeah.
Steve Ashdown.
The ones that make my eyes...
Steve Ashdown.
The ones that make my eyes water.
Won't get wrong over. Yeah, the nitro methane burns, man. It's awesome. Burns your nose, burns your eyes.
The smell is beautiful though.
Yeah, it's just fantastic. Like a really sweet fuel.
Obviously the company being with you.
Yeah, that's pretty good too. Yeah. I can't believe Carl Cox weren't here today.
The
That was
donuts.
gutting. Yes, the donuts are amazing.
Everything was amazing.
Got quite lucky with the weather too, haven't we? Considering.
Yeah.
Considering.
I mean, I did spit my dummy out a little bit earlier because it was just right on me and I didn't dress for...
Oh, you mean the sun?
Yeah, I didn't dress for like 25 degree heat.
No, when the sun comes out down south, my lord, it's warm. Anyway,
Just sat right on.
we will stop waffling. Try and keep this a little bit shorter because you're moaning at how long they are. We'll get back in a bit. And come on, have a bath. Paid a fortune for a bath in the room. We need to have a bath. I'm waffling. I'm going not together. You dirty bugger. You are so filthy. It's unreal. All right, together. What else? Talk to you in a bit.
Bye.
All right, so we have not the best. So, we've decided that we're going to be more adult-like. And I have been informed that the last time I was here, we did have cocktails and pints. And I was rough. So, well, there we go, I did it. So, this time round, okay, we're not going daft. We are having a couple of pints. And then going back to the room because we've got like a 4-hour drive at morning. So we're going to take it easy. I'm not in the mood for drinking anyway. Sorry, let's get you on camera. Look. I don't drink in England anyway, I said this. If you watched our Turkey vlogs, when I'm in the UK, I very rarely drink anymore. I just don't like it. Doesn't do anything for me. And someone's tired. So, we're having a game of pool. Mrs. D is... What score is it, love?
4-0 down.
4-0 down, bro.
Yeah, but I've got good skills though.
I'm playing bad. I'm missing some easy shots. Old age. I'm putting it down to old age again. I can't play snooker, I can't play pool. So, even though that red clear up then was mint.
No comment.
It was awesome.
Yeah.
And I potted the white one-handed, but finished it off. I was mint. Anyway, so yeah, might as well end it here, aren't we?
Yeah.
I'm gonna have another party and then go to bed. Yeah, so thanks for joining us this weekend. I hope you've watched both videos. But yeah, you've been with us Saturday, Sunday. I don't know about Mrs. D, but this is my favourite event of the year. I absolutely love the Euro finals. It's been absolutely epic and I am going to miss the smell of nitro fumes.
I'm sorry.
I'm going to miss the smell of nitro fumes until next year. We are planning next year, if you're watching this, a little bit of a...
Oh yeah?
What's one of them? Where did that come from, bro? We're thinking next year of driving to Hockenheim and going watching the Nitro Olympics there, which is the European dragsters over in Germany. That's what we're thinking of doing. If we can get babysitters and arrange all that, because it is, what, 13-hour drive or something? Mm-hmm. It's 13 hours, something like that. But yeah, I'm waffling again. We're going. From me, Mr. D. From her,
Mrs. D.
He just can't do it, can you?
Okay, hang on. From him, Mr. D. And from her, Mrs. D.
It's just the way you go. We did it in Turkey, if you remember, you went, Mrs. Day. Do you remember in Turkey, we were walking down front and I was saying bye. And you went, Mrs. Day.
From Mrs. D.
Yeah, I'll do.
Peace.
Yeah, going. Thanks for watching. Take care. Much love.
Bye.
Laters.